Fixing the promo code not working in Uber Eats is pretty easy thing to stay. I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix your promo code you're trying to put into your Uber Eats application is not working. It is true it is showing some sort of array, so for that you have to either reinstall the application. You just need to uninstall the application and install it again from your Play Store. But there is another option to fix it without having to reinstall it, so for that you have to go to your setting application. By the way, this is only for Android. In order to do that in iOS you need to reinstall the application. There's no other fixing iOS, so for Android you just have to go to settings and search for apps, and after searching for apps you will see this option apps. You just have to tap on the adoption and it will show all of the installed apps. You just have to locate the Uber Eats. As you can see, you just have to tap on that option, and here you just have to go to storage and install it. You have to clear data and clear cache. Who is it will delete all of your cache or data from Uber Eats and make the application like new. So after deleting the cache and data, you have to log into your Uber Eats account again. After logging in, you can simply put your promo code in Uber Eats without an error. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this helpful.